we'll learn how to export files in Premiere Pro. There are 3 methods to export your project. File tab method, go to the File tab, then select Export and Media Export. This will open the Export Settings window. Keyboard shortcut method, use the Ctrl+M keyboard shortcut to quickly access the export settings. Export tab method, directly click on the Export tab to open the export settings. The left column shows the different sharing options for your exported file. You can share it on YouTube, other platforms, or save it locally. To share on YouTube, enable the YouTube option, go to the Published section, and enter your channel information. The right column allows you to specify the file name and save location. In the Preset section, you can choose the video structure and quality. Here we specify the video format. H.264 is a good format for a balance of quality and file size. With H.264, use the Match Source, Adaptive High Bitrate preset. Ensure the video option is enabled to video settings. These settings are based on the format and preset you've chosen. It's generally best to leave these settings as they are. If you want to adjust them, uncheck the box and make your desired changes. To increase output quality, click More, and enable Use Maximum Render Quality. Close the video section. The audio settings are usually fine as default. You don't need to modify the multiplexer settings. The Caption section is only relevant if your video has captions. To export captions, enable the Caption option. You can choose to None, don't export captions. Create sidecar file, export captions as a separate SRT file. Burn captions into video, embed captions directly into the video. The Effect section allows you to apply effects to your video before exporting. For example, you can enable Lumetri look and choose a look like SL Big HDR. The video looks like this. The metadata section does not need to be active, we disable it. The general section is used for exporting based on previously created proxies. This section shows the preview of the video. The Ranged section offers 4 options. Entire source, exports the entire sequence. Source in out, exports a specific range of frames. Work area and custom, similar to the source layout, allowing for custom range selection. The source section shows the source settings, while the output section displays your chosen output settings. To export your video, you have two methods: direct export. Click the export button to start the export process. Media encoder. Use Adobe Media Encoder to export your video. Ensure it's the same version as your Premiere Pro for optimal compatibility. For a quick export with basic settings, use the Quick Export option. Specify the file name, save location, preset, and click Export. Thank you for watching, and don't miss our future videos.